Most annual planning produces a list of ambitions that feels inspiring on the first day of the year and irrelevant by the end of the first month. Not because the goals were wrong, because the plan had no architecture, no connection between the annual ambition and the quarterly milestone and the monthly focus and the weekly action. Just a list of things you hoped would somehow happen over the next 12 months. I had run this cycle for years. Strong intentions, weak structure, the same goals appearing on the list again the following year. This time I used AI to build a complete year plan in a single focused day. Not a list of goals. A connected architecture, where every week points to a month, every month points to a quarter, and every quarter points to the year I actually wanted to build. For the first time, the plan survived contact with real life. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why annual plans fail before the system. The honest diagnosis. Most annual plans fail for 3 specific reasons. They are outcome lists without process design. Setting a goal without designing the weekly process that produces it is like deciding to drive somewhere without choosing a route. The destination is clear. The path is not. Without a path, progress depends entirely on motivation, which is unreliable. They have no quarterly review mechanism. A plan reviewed only at the end of the year cannot be corrected during it. By the time you discover the plan is not working, most of the year has already passed. They ignore capacity. Most annual plans are built for an idealized version of the year, a version with no unexpected demands, no disruptions, no competing priorities. Real years are full of all 3. A plan that cannot flex when reality arrives is a plan that breaks. AI addresses all 3 problems when you use it correctly for planning rather than just goal setting. Morning session. Defining the year. The planning day begins with a 2-hour session with Claude. Give Claude a detailed brief about where you currently are. Your professional situation, your personal priorities, your existing commitments, the areas of your life that most need attention, and the areas that are working well and should be protected. Then describe the year you actually want. Not an idealized fantasy. A realistic and meaningful vision of what your life and work could look like in 12 months if you made the right decisions consistently. Ask Claude to help you identify your 3 to 5 most important annual goals across all areas: professional, personal, health, relationships, and financial. For each goal, Claude helps you define what done looks like, what the most significant obstacle is, and what the minimum weekly action is that would produce meaningful progress. The minimum weekly action is the most important output of this session. It converts an annual goal into a weekly habit, the actual unit of change. Late morning. Building the quarterly architecture. With your annual goals defined, the next step is breaking them into quarters. Ask Claude to divide each annual goal into 4 quarterly milestones. Not equal divisions, intelligent ones. What specifically needs to happen in the first 3 months to put the full year goal on track? What should quarter 2 look like given what was built in quarter 1? How does the plan adapt for quarters 3 and 4 based on realistic assumptions about how the year will develop? Ask Claude to also assign a theme to each quarter. A single word or short phrase that captures the primary focus. Not all goals at once, but a dominant emphasis that makes prioritization easier when the quarter becomes busy and trade-offs are required. Quarterly themes are one of the most underrated planning tools available. They make decisions faster and clearer because the theme provides a tiebreaker. When 2 tasks compete for the same time, the one most aligned with the quarterly theme wins. Afternoon, monthly focus areas and weekly structure. With quarters defined, spend the afternoon working through the monthly level. Ask Claude to suggest a primary focus area for each month. One specific project, habit, or priority within the relevant quarter that deserves the most sustained attention that month. Not every goal every month. A deliberate sequencing that gives each priority enough concentrated attention to produce real progress. Then ask Claude to help you design your ideal weekly structure. Not a rigid schedule, a default template. What happens in the first 90 minutes of each working day? When deep work happens versus reactive work. What a productive week looks like in terms of types of work completed rather than specific tasks. The weekly structure is the engine of the annual plan. Everything else, goals, quarters, monthly themes, is meaningless without a weekly rhythm that actually produces the work. Late afternoon. Building the review system. A plan without a review system is a plan that drifts. Ask Claude to design 3 review rhythms: weekly, quarterly, and annual. The weekly review is 10 minutes every Sunday. 3 questions. What moved forward this week? What did not, and why? What is the single most important thing next week must accomplish? The quarterly review is 60 minutes at the end of each quarter. How did actual progress compare to the milestone? What needs to change? What did the previous 3 months reveal about the annual goals? The annual review is the planning day you are running right now, rebuilt fresh each year. What changed? By the end of the planning day, I had a complete connected system. Annual goals with clear success criteria, quarterly milestones with themes, monthly focus areas, a weekly structure, and 3 review rhythms that kept everything honest and current. The plan survived the first month, which no previous annual plan had ever done. Not because everything went perfectly, because the weekly review caught the drift early and the quarterly theme made reprioritization fast and clear. By quarter 2, the plan felt less like a list of hopes and more like a live document I was actually living inside. Your action plan. Starting today, block 1 full day in your calendar. Work through the morning, late morning, afternoon, and late afternoon sessions with Claude. Build the connected architecture from annual goals to weekly structure. 1 day of planning, 12 months of direction. What has stopped your annual plans from surviving past the first month before? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for annual planning that actually works, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.